Welcome to the video in front of me, TCL 306, and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first we should launch the Google application, and after that click here on the right upper corner and go into the settings. Here just tap to the Google Assistant, and after that scroll all the way down to the general options. Now here you'll see the Google Assistant switcher, and just to turn it off you should click here only once on the switcher and then confirm your action by click again to turn off. And now as can you see that Google Assistant is turned off on your TCL device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.